Hey Thunderbolt. What? I am your. Okay, your point. I gonna be tested and you're not. Well, I am more popular. No, you're not Thunderbolt, I am yours, so I am more popular. Shut up 2001. No. I hate you. What? I am going home. Okay. Like fat square lamp. Well, your horn looks like a cup 2001. So Peppa will use me every day. Ugh, I am so mad at you 2001, I am going to kill you. You can't move. Shut up 2001. I hope you get COVID-19. I am sad. Deal with it 2001. Well, you look like a urine sample Thunderbolt. Well, you look like a urine sample cup 2001. Hey, that's not very nice. Okay, I don't care 2001. Like's not fair. Well, I am gonna be tested Thunderbolt. Poop.